So today I'm going to do a little toolbox tour on my REVEL X. I have it at home right now. I recently got let go from my job at the city, but we're going to go through it, see what I have. So here we go. Open the hutch. I got my just all regular stuff. Got a little knife sharpener kit right here. Just a whole bunch of useless stuff right now. First drawer would be my socket drawer. Got my standards and metrics. Got my deep, shallows, everything. A little bit of snap-on. Got a lot of snap-on actually. Sockets. Craftsman, Harbor Freight. Got my Matco right here. Some more Matco. These came with a pretty good deal. These swivels are pretty. I really like these swivels. I got my a little quarter inch set. A little Husky torque wrench I got right there. I got the other one around here somewhere that I have. Go down to my second drawer. I got all my wrenches, my ratchet wrenches, a gear wrench. Most of these are gear wrench, Craftsman, and Harbor Freight. I got my adjustable wrenches right there. Some of these ratcheting wrenches I got from Harbor Freight. They're pretty good when I was doing some brake chambers on the trucks. And the new snap-on pry bars, I don't really like the grip on them. They're all right. Got my tire changing bar right here. And now for my pliers, I got some missing because they're in my bag over there. All my pliers, some punches, more adjustable wrenches. These are Matco. If you can see, if they adjust, they got the little splines on the side so I can take them off and make them into little pipe wrenches. Got my serpentine belt tool. Little breaker bar, all my quarter inch ratchets, little 3/8 ratchet, old little guy, and proto. Got my big Matco one right here. Then my quarter inch, 3/8, everything. Little Newton meter torque wrench. Go down to my electrical drawer. Got my test lead kit, some picks, butt connectors, my back probe kit, micrometer, my filler gauges. I got my terminal tool kit right there. I really like those instead of those little star ones. Test leads, soldering iron, some more picks, my light tester, crimpers, miscellaneous bits, crimpers, more crimpers, and then my test light for the trailer pin connectors. My multimeters over there in the corner somewhere. Just some hammers, my Matco screwdrivers, and some more screwdrivers. Nothing real nice. So disregard those. There's my helicoil kits, my air gun, my vacuum gauge, some oil canisters. Well, things to take off the oil canisters. Brake gauge, rivet gun, little rethreader kit, C clamps, air gauge, and more screwdrivers. And then my bottom drawer got my battery tester, grinder, drill, little hex impact, die grinders, another grinder, my impact, then my hex impact drill, then my 3/8 ratchet. I got my battery drawer, and also have my little quarter inch gun right here. Nice little thing. Flashlights, chargers, my bottom drawer I really don't have anything in. Some cords from the box, paperwork, some drills and bits. And then my cabinet. I have some Allen heads from Craftsman. A little soldering iron from Harbor Freight. And then my brake tool from Matco. Got the new power probe right here, and that thing is pretty good. I really like that. I used it a couple times so far. The old power probe in that box. I got the Bosch 200 HD in this. I love that little scan tool. Little Harbor Freight scan tool, and then this is another multimeter. I got all my books right here for all the trash trucks. Probably gonna throw those away. Gloves, heat shrink, and then hose clamps. Got some ammo in here. Miscellaneous stuff I have. I have my Blue Point set for all my Allens, Torx, and inverted. And that is my Matco torque wrench. Here is basically my junk drawer. Zip ties, gloves, tire gauges, miscellaneous parts, tape, wheels for my creeper just in case, grinding pads, dielectric grease, and then this is basically just the chain, my gloves for welding, and then a little jack whenever I need to pick up a cab on a truck. And this one's pretty much empty too since I just got the box. And then we'll go back to my stuff over here. I just got a lot of random crap, my little 3/8 stubby. And then in here is my Snap-on Ethos. I have that. So that is basically my REVEL X with the hutch and cabinet.